Want to know how to check message requests in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing this interface right here, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing menu with a hamburger icon. Just simply select it, and now you should be provided with this interface right here. Now, in order to check messages or message request, here right below messages you should be something known as message request right here. So you can just simply select it. Now once you select it, if someone has messaged you who is not a friend, you can just simply see message request right here. So you can also hit towards spam right here and check if there is message request on your spam. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you check your message requests in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.